Now, I will show you how to create a 360-degree virtual tour. First, select a completed floor plan. On this screen, look for the Virtual Tour 360 button and click on it. Then, click the new House Roaming button. Here, we can see that there is a camera icon in every room. Delete all the cameras except for the room you want to create the 720-degree view for. You can also add a camera by dragging it from the bottom right corner. By clicking on the camera, you can adjust its height and position. Make sure that you have adjusted all the cameras before you continue. After all the cameras have been adjusted, it is time to pick the starting point. Here, we select the camera in the living room. Below the camera, there's an option to select the starting point. Click on the starting point, then generate full house roaming. How long the house roaming will take to load depends on the number of rooms that you have selected and your internet speed. Let us take a look at the generated home tour. As you can see, we can see every corner of the room. You can click on the arrow to enter and view the other rooms. You can also view the other rooms by clicking the button below. You can even send the completed virtual tour to your clients by copying the link and sending it to them. Congratulations! You have completed the 360-degree virtual tour.